when you divide functions, be sure to note any domain restrictions that may arise. Again, we've done something very similar to this when we were dividing and multiplying rational expressions. Remember, your denominator can never have any part equal 0. So that's the important part here. So we're going to do g times f. So g is 2x minus 2 times the function for f, so times 2x squared plus 4x minus 6. Now when you're multiplying a binomial times a trinomial, you're just distributing everything from one side of the parentheses to the other. So let's hit them all with 2x first. That would give us 4x to the third, 8x squared, and negative 12x. Then we'll get them all with this negative 2. So that would give us negative 4x squared. I'm going to put it under my other x squareds. Negative 8x and positive 12. Combine our like terms, which we have them lined up right now. 4x to the third plus 4x to the second minus 20x plus 12. Now, there's no restrictions on that one. We really only have to worry about that with division, which is coming up right here. So we're going to do f divided by g. So f was 2x squared plus 4x minus 6. Accidentally scooted that down a little bit. Ah, come on. Come on, dude. There we go. That'll work. Divided by g of x, which is 2x minus 2. So the numerator has some common factors. We could factor out a 2, which would leave us with x squared plus 2x minus 3. Denominator also has a common factor of 2, which would leave us with x minus 1. Now, I know we could cancel out the 2's, but we're going to actually wait on that until we have it perfectly factored. So the numerator, factors of negative 3 that add up to 2 would be positive 3 and negative 1. So x plus 3, x minus 1 over 2 times x minus 1. Now, before we cancel out some stuff, let's get our restricted values. Remember, you look in the denominator to what could x equal to where it would come out to 0 because we can't divide by 0. So if we see x minus 1, that means x could not equal positive 1. That's our only restriction on x. So even though it's going to get canceled out right now, because we have an x minus 1 on top and the bottom, we still had to put the restriction there. What else do you see that we can cancel out? The 2 and the 2. So all we're left with is x plus 3. That's not bad, yeah? So same thing, I got a couple for you to try. Try multiplying them, try dividing them, and then I think this is the end of the notes today. Yep, so try these two out, and I'm going to try working them out up here. Two. Our restricted values, x cannot equal negative 2 or 2, because then the denominator would come out to 0. And then the x plus 2 will cancel, so we're left with 1 over x minus